So question 3, explain why renewable sources provide an increasing fraction of the electricity supply for many countries. Explain why renewable sources are an increasing fraction of electricity. So all the electricity we have is generated by one means or another. Generally, you've got two categories. You've got the non-renewable, so coal, oil, gas, and you've got your renewables, which are things like hydroelectric, solar, wind, those kind of ideas. And here we're asked to talk about renewable sources. So the first thing to say is an answer that starts off talking about we're going to run out of fossil fuels isn't quite what this question is getting at. We want to be talking about renewable sources. So why are we using more and more renewable sources to generate the electricity we use? So let's start off by looking at renewables. So renewables, let's think about what they're. Well, the obvious thing is because they are renewable, so they will not run out of the fuel they use. Now that fuel might be in terms of the energy for the water cascading down, or the kinetic energy in the wind, or the energy from solar, from the sun. So we've got the energies will not run out of fuel. You also might recall that they do not produce any greenhouse gases. So let's add that in. So energies won't run out of fuel and do not produce. We could put greenhouse gases, but let's get a little bit more scientific. The main greenhouse gas that is produced by other means is carbon dioxide. So they do not produce carbon dioxide, CO2, that greenhouse gas there, leading to climate change. So don't produce carbon dioxide, and so do not contribute to climate change. And now at this point, I'm now going to say, unlike non-renewable fossil fuels. So I've got a little bit about fossil fuels, but our main thrust of this answer is all talking about renewables.